Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to give sharing access into your Zoom meeting. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to give access of sharing into your Zoom meeting, you have to be in a meeting where other participants are. And after joining into the meeting, you will see this share option here. You just simply have to click into this pop-up menu in order to give access to the other members into your meeting. Now click to this advanced sharing options, and after that you will see this who can share option. Into here you just simply have to select this all participants option, and then the permission will successfully be granted, and other participants into your meeting can also share into your meeting now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.